Dear students, in this video I am going to solve the exercise 1.2, in which I already solved the first question, main question, and the second main question, in which I already solved first one. In that second one, the function from f from z to z, integer to integer, given by f of x is equals to x square. This is a given function, means y is equals to x square. F of x means y. So here let z be the set of integers, and given that f of x is equals to x square or y is equals to x square. Now consider the diagram. See here, this is the domain z, means it includes the integers 0, 1, minus 1, 2, minus 2. It includes both the positive and negative integers along with the 0. Here also, this is also same as the domain z. This is a codomain. These elements are considered as x. These elements considered as y. So check whether this is 1, 1 or on 2. See what happens when you put x is equals to minus 1. So first one, x is equals to 1. X is equals to 1, you get 1 because 1 square is 1. Y is equals to x square, means f of x is equals to x square. This is a 1, which gives 1. Similarly, when x is equals to minus 1, you get a 1 because negative, the base is negative and the power is even number, then you get a positive. So that in both the cases, in 1 and minus 1, you get a same image. So that for minus 1 and 1, you get a 1. For the two different elements, the image is same in codomain. Hence, it is not a 1, 1. Why it is not 1, 1? Because for two different elements in domain z, there is a common image. Hence, it is not a 1, 1. Hence, we can write this as, so f of 1 is equals to f of minus 1 is equals to 1. But 1 is not equals to minus 1. We can write this as in examination, you have to just write this like this. F of 1 is equals to f of minus 1 is equals to 1. But 1 is not equals to minus 1 because 1 and minus 1 are different elements belongs to domain z. But 1 and minus 1 have the same image. Hence, not means the elements are not same. Two different elements have the same image. Hence, x1 is not equals to x2. Hence, x1 is not equals to x2. Therefore, f is not a 1, 1 or injective. Similarly, when you put x is equals to 2, you get 4. When x is equals to minus 2, you get a 4. Both same. So that just you have to write 1 and minus 1. And lastly, you have to write x1 is not equals to x2. Hence, it is not a 1, 1. For onto function, for surjective. So here, what happens here? For 2 or minus 2 or 3, minus 3, etc. do not have free images in a domain z. Means there is no element which gives f of x is equals to x square is equals to 2. It means that minus 2 and 2 or 3, minus 3, 4, 5, minus 5, etc. in codomain z do not have any free images in a domain z. Hence, we can write this as, therefore, there is no any element x in z, domain z, which gives f of x is equals to or y is equals to x square is equals to 2 in codomain z. In codomain z. So that codomain z means the 2 belongs to codomain z. It do not have any free images in x in such a way that which gives f of x is equals to x square. So that for any element x belongs to domain z, you can't get 2 because 2 is not a square number. Because since it is a square number, but it is 2 is not a square number. In another way, we can also say like this: when y is equals to x square and x is equals to root y, so that x is equals to root 2. Because when you put y is equals to 2, because y belongs to codomain. Instead of 2, you can also take a minus 2 and 3. It becomes a root 2, root of minus 2, etc. not belongs to z. Therefore, hence it is not a onto. Therefore, the function f is neither 1, 1 nor onto. But here, if you replace the set of integers by natural numbers, the things are different here. it becomes a 1 1 but not on 2. So that depends upon the this one. Okay, whether it is a real number, integers or natural numbers, it decides, the set decides whether the function is a 1 1 or on 2. Also here the function also decides to decide, so which is 1 1 or on 2. Okay, so that this is the second one. Similarly, we are going to solve the third one. Prove that the greatest integer function, f r to r, real number to real number, given by f of x is equals to integer function, greatest integer function, is neither 1 1 nor on 2, where this indicates it's the greatest integer less than or equal to x. Okay, less than or equals to x. This is the greatest integer function. Okay, so first we have to understand what is greatest integer function. So here 1, 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, 1.5, 1.6, 1.7, 1.8, 1.9. Okay, after that 2. So that if you consider 1.1, this is a 1.1 here. So 1.1, to see the left side here, 1.1, the left side of the 1.1, here 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Among these integers, set of integers, left of the 1.1, which is greater? The greatest integer is 1. Therefore, that is why greatest integer value of 1.1 is a 1. It means if you consider any number, decimal numbers, 1.1, 1.2, etc. 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, 1.5, 1.6, 1.7, 1.8, 1.9, up to you get a 1 only. So that 1.1 is equals to 1, 1.2 is equals to 1, up to 1.9 is equals to 1. Because see here, if you consider 1.9 here, observe the left side of the 1.9, which is greatest integer here, that is a 1. So that the value of 1.9 is 1. Suppose it is a 0.1. So it is a 0.1 is 0. Why it is called a 0? Because here 0.1 is here 0.1. So observe left side of the 0.1 here. So okay, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1. There are infinity, minus infinity. Okay, up to minus infinity. Among all those negative integers, left of the 0.1, which is greatest integer, that is a 0, up to a 0.9. 0.9 you get a 0. So that 0.1 0, 0.2 0, because 0.2 is also 0, because left of the 0.2, which is greater, 0, up to 0.9 you get 0. Similarly, you take a 2.1 here, 2.1, left of the 2.1, which is greater, that is 2, up to 2.9. Okay, 2.2, 2.9, you get a, this is the greatest integer function. Okay, this is very important. So right here, since it is a real number, real set, that is domain and codomain, this is the function. What happens here? All the real number is nothing but it is a ocean of numbers. There are rational and irrational numbers. Only we have to take a few numbers for our example to solve the examples. Okay, so there are root 2, minus 1 by 2, etc. There is a ocean of numbers in this real number. Okay, so that we have to choose some. So 1.1 and 1.2, for x1 is equals to 1.1, x2 is equals to 1.2, but you get here 1, because here 1.1 is equals to 1, 1.2 is equals to 1. If you take 1.3, you get 1, up to 1.9 you get 1. So that this is not 1 1. Hence we can write this as a f of 1 is equals to f of 1.2 is equals to 1. F of 1.1 is equals to f of 1.2 is equals to 1. So that, but 1.1 is not equals to 1.2, because these are both different different free images, different elements. Since they are different elements, x1 is not equals to x2. Therefore, f is not a 1 1. Okay, f is not a 1 1. Similarly, come to the point onto. Onto means here there are elements here in codomain R, 2.1, 0.1, etc. Such numbers do not have any pre-images, because there is no element in domain R which gives f of x is equals to greatest integer function x is equals to 2.1. Okay, we can write this as there is no element in domain R which gives f of x is equals to greatest integer function x is equals to 1.1 or 2.1, because it always gives a integer, not a decimal number. Hence you get here only integers here, integers, okay, negative integer and positive integers, but not decimal numbers. Means there is no element in domain R which gives 2.1. okay, hence it is not a onto. Okay, this is the greatest integer function, is neither 1 nor onto. Now next example is fourth one. So that the modulus function f from R to R given by real number to real number given by f of x is equal to modulus function is neither 1 nor onto, where modulus of x is x if x is positive or 0, and modulus of x is minus x if x is a negative. So simply see here, this is modulus of x. So when x is greater than or equals to 0, so x, because x is greater than means 0, 1, 2, 3, they are positive, hence 1, 2, 3. If it is less than 0, minus 1, minus 2, this is minus x. This is simple. So where x is greater than 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. And x is less than 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. So that, so we have the graph here, greatest integer function. For any value of x, for negative value of x, you always get a positive value. Since it is a function f of x is equals to modulus of x, that is y is equals to modulus of x. Okay. When you put x is equals to 1, you get a y is equals to 1. When you put x is equals to minus 1, you get a y is equals to again 1, because it is a absolute value. So that here we can write this as for f of 1 is equals to f of minus 1 is equals to 1. See here, the function is f of 1 is equals to f of minus 1 is equals to 1. Hence it is not 1, 1. Because since it is a real number, it is also a real number. Here for two different elements, the image is same. Hence x1 is not equals to x2. Hence it is not 1, 1. See here, graph is here. When x is equals to 1, you get 1. When x is equals to minus 1, you get 1. Because you always get a positive value. So when x is equals to 2, what happens? When x is equals to 2, you get y is equals to also 2. When x is equals to minus 2, you get y is equals to also 2, because it is always the absolute value. Similarly, minus 3, plus 3, you get the function, the graph of the function is like this. You always get a positive y. Okay, always get a positive y. Hence, here the negative value of y do not have free images. Hence, it is not onto. For example, see here, minus 2. There is no element in domain R which gives f of x is equals to modulus of x is equals to minus 2. Okay, see here, how can we write this? There is no element in domain R which gives y is equals to modulus of x is equals to minus 2 or minus 3 or minus 4, etc. So that here minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, etc. do not have any free images in domain R. Hence, the modulus function is neither 1 nor onto. Please remember, the graph of the function modulus function is like this. Okay. Now, next example is fifth one. So that the signum function from f r to r given by f of x is equals to 1, 0, minus 1. So when x is greater than 0, it is 1. When x is equals to 0, 0. When x is less than 0, minus 1. So it is neither 1, 1 nor onto. We have to prove that it is neither 1, 1 nor onto. Let us consider the graph here. X-axis, y-axis, x-axis, y-axis. So here, according to the given data here, for any value of x is greater than 0, the y is always 1. So here, x is greater than 0. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For any value of x is greater than 0, you get the value of y is remains the same. This is constant. Okay? Because they already given here. This is 1, 0, minus 1. 1, 0, minus 1. For any value of x greater than 0, you get y is equals to 1. When x equals to 0, you get 0. You get 0 because x equals to 0, it is a 0. When x is less than 0, means minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. When x is less than 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, you get a constant value. The value of y is minus 1. For x is equals to minus 1, you get minus 1. For x is equals to minus 2, you get minus 1. For x equals to minus 3, you get minus 3, minus 1. Means for any value of x is less than 0, you get minus 1. These are the less than 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, etc. This gives same value, that is a minus 1. So that here for minus 1, minus 2, you get minus 1. Say when you put the value of x is equals to minus 1, you get minus 1, y is equals to minus 1. When you put the value of x is equals to minus 2, you get minus 1 again. So that for the value of minus 1, minus 2, you get a minus 1 because it is a constant here. For value of 1 and 2, here 1 and 2, you get 1 again. For the value of 1 and 2, 1 again. So that it is a not 1, 1. Hence we can write this as a f of minus 1 is equals to f of minus 2 is equals to minus 1. But minus 1 is not equals to minus 2. Similarly, we can also write this as f of 1 is equals to f of 2 is equals to 1 again, because for any value of x greater than 0, f of 1, f of 2, you get the same, y is equals to 1. Hence, it is not a 1, 1. And here, except the value of y, the value of y here, 0, minus 1, 1. Except these, the remaining elements in codomain R, because here it is only stopped here. The value of y is stopped here, 1, 0 and minus 1. The value of y lie between minus 1, 0 and 1. Except these three elements, the remaining elements in y do not have any pre-images here. The remaining elements except minus 1, 0 and 1, the remaining elements like 2, minus 2, 3, minus 3 do not have any pre-images. Means there is no any element in domain R which gives f of x is equals to 3 or minus 3, because the restricted values of y are 1, 0 and minus 1. Except these three elements, all the rest of the elements do not have any free images. Hence it is not a 1 on 2. Therefore, the signum function is neither 1, 1 nor onto the graph of like this. Okay. So you have to, in examination, you have to write like this. For f of 1 is equals to f of 2 is equals to 1, or f of minus 1 is equals to minus 2 is equals to minus 1. Therefore, here 1 is not equals to 2. Hence, x1 is not equals to x2. Therefore, f is not 1, 1. For on 2, there is no element in domain R which gives f of x is equals to minus 2, or f of x is equals to 2, or f(x) is equals to 3. Hence, it is not on 2. This is all explanation for your understanding only. Okay. Thank you.